That the categories define the nominal accounts that this posting of the depreciation is going to go on to. So this is what's pulled through from those categories. But I do also have the ability to split that posting. So let's take the example of where perhaps we've got a monitor in our office, and we've got various different departments that use that, and we simply want to split that across those associated nominal accounts, and then we're basically just deciding the percentage of that split. So for those of you who are perhaps using Sage Project Accounting, or of course our projects module, there's also the ability to post that depreciation to a project that's already been set up. And because this sits inside of Sage 200, there is also the ability to associate the purchase ledger invoice, whether that's linking it perhaps to an existing transaction. So as you'll see, all I'm doing here is I'm looking at all of the suppliers on my purchase ledger, and then all we're basically doing is then associating that purchase ledger to this specific asset. I can create a new invoice from here, which as you'll see will take me straight into the standard enter purchase invoice, or I could do the other way around. So I could enter my invoice through the purchase ledger, and as you'll see, we've got a little save to fixed asset button at the bottom. That then allows us to either create a new fixed asset or again add it to an existing asset that we've already created. I can also view the transaction details, whether that's drilling down to the transaction inquiry, or view the nominal details, obviously once we've done some postings.